हेलो लर्निंग पांडा। तो कैसे आप सब। वीडियो में आज हम लोग क्लास 6 का पढ़ने वाले हैं द रिसाइकलिंग रैप। बट उससे पहले मैं आपको एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग चीज़ बताने वाली। हाल फिलहाल में मैंने अपना एक नया अकाउंट खोला है, आर्ट अकाउंट, क्योंकि मुझे स्टडीज़ आर्ट दोनों में बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रिएटिविटी दिखती है। तो मैंने अपना एक नया आर्ट अकाउंट खोला है जिसका न्यू वीडियो मैंने आज बनाया है, जिसका ग्लिम्स मैं आपको दिखा दूँगी। आज मैंने यहाँ पे ये वाटर कैंडल बनाया है, इसका वीडियो मेरे अकाउंट में चल जाएगा। अकाउंट का नाम है तंदिता आर्ट्स। मेक श्योर दो टाइप के अकाउंट है, तंदिता आर्ट एकेडमी और दूसरा है तंदिता आर्ट्स। तंदिता आर्ट्स वाला मेरा अकाउंट है। ओके, तंदिता आर्ट पुराना अकाउंट था जो कि मैंने डिलीट कर दिया है, बट यूज़र नेम डिलीट नहीं हुआ है। और ये एक और वीडियो है जो कि अभी के लिए आपको मैं नहीं बताऊंगी किस चीज़ का है। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये जो पोएम है रिसाइकलिंग रैप, इसमें सबसे पहले यहाँ बताया जाएगा कि यहाँ पे एक्चुअल में पोएम में किस बारे में है। तो इस पोएम में जो पोएट यानी जो राइटर है वो लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा पोएम के वे में रिक्वेस्ट करके कहते हैं कि प्रोडक्ट्स को रिसाइकल करने, जो हम घर में यूज़ करते, जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स रिसाइकल हो सकते हैं उन्हें ज़रूर से ज़रूर रिसाइकल करें। ओके, पोएम स्टार्ट करने वाले इनके जो वो राइटर है यानी कि पोइट है वो है जॉन फॉस्टर। इनके बारे में थोड़ा हम लोग जान लेते हैं। तो यहाँ पे बताया जाता है कि जॉन फॉस्टर एक ब्रिटिश ऑथर थे। क्या थे जॉन फॉस्टर, जिनका जन्म 1770 में हुआ था और उनकी डेथ 1843 में हुई थी। वो एक ब्रिटिश ऑथर थे जिन्होंने ज़्यादातर पोएम स्टोरीज़ बच्चों के लिए लिखी थी। तो अब आगे बढ़ते पोएम पढ़ते हैं। लिसन टू मी चिल्ड्रेन, हेयर व्हाट आई से, वी हैव गॉट टू स्टार्ट रिसाइकलिंग, इट्स द ओनली वे। तो सबसे पहले लाइंस में पोइट कह रहे हैं कि बच्चों, मुझे जानते हैं कि वो बच्चे के लिए स्टोरीज़ लिखते थे, तो वो कह रहे हैं कि बच्चों मुझे सुनो, क्या मैं यहाँ पे कह रहा हूँ। तो यहाँ पे पोइट बोल रहे हैं कि बच्चों मुझे सुनो, मैं यहाँ पे क्या आपको बताना चाहता हूँ। What do I really mean to say? So poet is telling that, he is telling that we need to today itself, at this time only we need to start recycling things. Okay, he is telling that, listen to me children, there it is there, what I am saying right now is that you need to start recycling from today itself. To save this planet for future generation, the name of this game is reclamation. You have got to start recycling. You know it makes sense. You have got to start recycling. Stop sitting on fence. यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि आगे भी पढ़ लेते हैं. No more pushy footing, no more clap trap. Get yourself doing the recycling rap. Here what is going to happen is now the poet is expressing the next thing, which is he has told. Now here what the poet is saying, that Star is saying that we have enough time to start up our recycling. So he's telling that to save this planet for future people, to save this planet for the upcoming peoples or humans on this planet, we need to save our things right now and even from today. He's also telling now you have to start recycling because you know it makes a sense, like it's a very good thing, it's a sensible thing, it's not nonsense concept. He's also telling that now no more sitting on the fence. Sitting on the fence, you may find sitting on the fence. Okay, so this is a famous idiom. Okay, so this not like सिटिंग ऑन द फेंस, मतलब कि फेंस पे बैठना, ये वो चीज़ नहीं है. इट्स अ फेमस इडियम विच मीन्स दैट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम हेयर एंड देयर. ओके, नाउ no more pushy footing, no more clap trap. So you will get the meaning of pushy footing, clap trap in your next page. It means that being anxious about expressing one's opinion, like being afraid to express your opinion, to express someone's opinion, like being afraid of expressing opinions or your thoughts. Claptrap means stupid talk, okay, unnecessary talks. So he is telling no more pushy footing and no more unnecessary talk, okay. So you need to now get yourself doing the recycling rap, that you're recycling from today itself. Come on and start recycling. Start today by saving old newspaper, not throwing them away. Don't just take them and dump them on tip. Tie them in a bundle and put them in the skip. So now next paragraph is a very good paragraph in which poet is giving you an example that what things you can recycle. A very common thing he gave the example, that is newspaper. He is telling that come on, hurry up and start the recycling. You can start it by reusing the old newspapers, by saving old newspapers and not throwing them away. These is people, what they do is that they throw the old newspapers. So he's telling that don't just take them and just dump it somewhere or throw it in the dustbin. You need to recycle them today itself. Tie them in a bundle. There are so many newspapers, so tie them in a bundle and put them in skip. He's telling now put them in a bundle, tie them in a bundle and put them in skip. So skip meaning is a large container for holding rubbish, for example dustbins or something like that. Get collecting, protecting the futures up to you. Save all your old glass bottles and your jam jars too. Take them to bottle bank, then at the factory the glass can be recycled, saving energy. So now here it is telling that collect everything which can be recycled, using everything which can be recycled, and protect the future. It's all up to you. The future is depending on you. Save all your old glass bottles and your jam jars also. And not just that, take them to bottle bank. So take them to bottle bank and then it goes to factory and glass can be recycled and it saves the energy. This is a very nice poem. How beautifully the poet is expressing. Don't chunk away that empty. Remember what I said. Start recycling, man. Wash it, squeeze it flat and thin. Take it to the save a can and post it in. Now poet is telling don't chunk away, don't throw away that empty can. You can recycle that. Remember what I'm saying. Start recycling, man. You wash it, you rub it, you squeeze it, you squash it flat and thin and take it to save a can and post it in. So here it is, poet is telling that don't throw them away. You have seen dustbins in the roads or something like that where it's written save a can. So you just take your cans and don't throw, you just post in them. Like you just go and keep all your cans in them, which goes to bottle banks and then to factories. Now the first paragraph is repeated again as last paragraph. Now we have which is as same as the first paragraph. So here the poet is telling that start your recycling today. No more pussyfooting and no more claptrap. No more unnecessary rubbish discussions or talks. No more afraid of sharing your opinions. Now this is the game of reclamation. It means recycling, another name for recycling. So this is the game of reclamation, and get yourself doing the recycling rap, which is the only way to save your futures, to save the upcoming humans' life. So I hope you all enjoyed this so much. If you are on the way to your exam tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or someday after, or you are just on the courses, so I hope you liked the video. So thank you so much for watching the video. One more thing, I said I will give you video of class 8, but I'm really sorry. The chapters were very easy, but I very rarely got the PDFs, and I was so much in a hurry to make video of this one that I made this video. So next time, I give my words, I will try my best. Okay, I'm not sure, but I will try my best for class 8. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to the channel. Bye.